Oof. All right, so what are we doing? What are we doing today?
Skipping work.
We're getting a bumper.
I'm doing tie rods on my car because mine's, dude, look, oh my God. Brian puts my car to shame. Look, that's his mom. That's him. Ooh, clean. That's dad. His dad's car sits there for forever. It never moves. So Brian, we're doing tie rods?
Something like that.
You prepared? Hunter, what are you doing? My wheel's gonna fall off. Oh God. This Hunter man kept talking shit. So Brian's about to use his red dildo to clean my rims. Okay, that's a lot cleaner. Just shove it in, shove it in. Yeah, I should clean my rims more. Hold on, can you use that thing while it's on the car and still get it straight on the back like that?
Yeah, that's what I have this for. Yeah.
I just ate that.
It tastes good, right? I believe.
Nah, I don't recommend eating it.
Here, hose it off.
Hose it off? Where's the hose? Oh, Brian, you got bicycles and shit everywhere. Brian, that's unnecessary. Kind of firefighter ass shit. Is it good? Jesus, son. Let's put this thing back. Hold on, I'm gonna leave it out. Are we gonna do the other one?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh. That's so much cleaner. Holy shit. Leave it. Was $4 for that?
Dildos like $3. $7. You have a woo.
All right, so we got. Where's the box? All the tie rods. So we got inner and outer for my car. Hunter's gonna be emotional support.
Put it down. Lower it.
The way he jacks that shit, he's like.
That was scary.
I gotta like.
Oh God. So, Hunter, emotional support for the day.
Dude, why am I awake?
It's only 10:40. I made everybody wake up early as hell. 10:20. Jesus.
My body's swollen.
All right, Brian. So, I will help as much as I can. You know, I have mechanical ability, so I'll be under there with you, providing my assistance. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so
Grab the flashlight.
I'll hold the flashlight and you tell me where to put it. Back to home. Turn the camera off. Hunter, cook up. Cook up. Cook up.
There's some. I was thinking some this.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Cook up. Dude, I can make some mean s'mores up in there. For real. Fridge check. Fridge check. Fridge check. Fridge check.
Nobody uses this fridge.
Let me get a blue moon. What time is it? 10:40?
Bro, he just said nobody uses this fridge and it looks like my fridge full.
We just got back from the grocery store.
For real.
I just went
Like,
and bought this yesterday. Investments, you know, businessman thing.
I want a table. So.
Bro, look at my lawnmower. Look at my lawnmower headlights.
Oh. Did you do that? Brian.
Brand new John Deere lawnmower painted black.
Bruh. Bro, it's It's nice down here. Hold up.
That's alright. It won't last them. Shit's gonna go wrong with the rear diffuser.
Bro, chop it up. Let's do it. Slick. And no, I got my tool bag too, so. Oh. Are you just taking off the little bracket things?
Yeah, cotter pin.
That's Ollie. I need to clean it. Wait, do you have anything to clean the metal and shit down here?
Scotch Brite.
A what?
Scotch Brite. It's like a sandpaper pen. Just grab the damn pin and pull it. It's so hard to get a cotter pin without breaking it.
How many will we need? Just 2? Alright, but.
No, the aquarium, the zoo, safaris. Indiana ain't got no animal safaris. They got cornfields.
No, Brian, get it.
There's half of your cotter pin.
There you go. Right there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You gotta hold this side down with a pry bar. Now do it. Look, it worked. It worked. There's a wrench in my trunk, Hunter. Can you grab it? The car key's right there.
A wrench?
Yeah.
Dude, all of these are the same.
The red lanyard or the black leather one. Both those for my car.
Oh, so y'all meet Brian. Hold up, vlog doesn't even know you. Introduce yourself.
My name's Brian. I'm a little brown boy. Nah, that's it. I'm just a little brown boy.
We need a background story about you.
I'm 18. I do aerodynamics and headlights. I don't know why I put in here because you have no bumper. But over there.
What? Wow.
I can't give you a splitter without no bumper.
Yeah, you can. Just throw that bitch under there.
Bash bar and a splitter.
That's what I want. Hold up. So, that's how it's supposed to be. No movement. Can't move it at all. That's the old one. That's bad. So, we're replacing both those. Return the other, the tie rod ends. We didn't need those. We just need these right here. Because they're bad. Very bad.
It's not even fucking moving.
You're not hitting it.
I am hitting it.
Hunter, I haven't on it. You're nowhere close. Oh, God. Other side took what, 2 hours? Got this side in, done, tightened, throwing the wheel back on in 5 minutes. Brian, master mechanic right here. Look at him. Any girls? Hit his DM real quick.
I know a 260, you know, both not.
You know, built not bought, big bank. Brian, what you want? What kind of girl you want?
I don't know, you know. I'm open to a lot. You know? If you got a Q60, it's even better, dude.
Oh, I need my Q60 girls. Slide in his DMs real quick. He'll do your tie rods in 5 minutes. He's got you. Oh God. Hey, do it.
Alright, so we're gonna have to put a line right here, right? Should do a little section now.
Hold up. Ooh. What the fuck? It's obvious as fuck. Ooh. So we got the tie rods in. Now we're in Gainesville. Getting a fucking alignment. My shit was all red. It was so bad. All the shops were full. There's crackheads on bikes everywhere. We're in the middle.
Damn manholes over there.
It'd be awful.
So many cases in Gainesville, they gotta start digging some places to bury them.
Jesus. Oh my God. Dude, imagine driving. Someone drove their car in this shit.
I used to do this.
What, drive your car into this? I mean, we can, you got a Mustang, but come on.
Damn. All the shots.
Good drainage.
Well, that motherfucker's deep as hell. Jesus.
You got some balls parking in the truck over
So, we're here. I'm getting alignment on the car. And then, Brian, are we tinting the taillights? Yeah. Tinting the taillights.
there. You can be like me and Brian.
Wow. Wow.
But I can't be like you because you have a car.
Oof. So, I'll keep y'all updated. My steering wheel was sideways coming up here, so we'll see how it is. So, we got the alignment. Alignment's good. Alignment's good. Thanks to Brian and Hunter.
You can't have music?
No, dude, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
No.
All right, now, Brian, what are we doing now?
We're making it black.
We're tinting.
God damn.
We're tinting my.
light.
I know the freaking bulb popping up.
Oh my God. We're tinting my tail lights.
Sitting
So.
in there, and we're good to go.
All right, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'm screwed.